Welcome, I'm Luis, and today we're diving into the vibrant world of Turkish cuisine. Forget what you know. This is food with centuries of history, bursting with flavor and heart. Get ready as we explore 7 iconic Turkish dishes you absolutely need to try. Let's embark on a culinary journey, a flavorful exploration that begins with a legend, a tale as rich and satisfying as the dish itself. We're diving into the heart of Turkish street food, a world of vibrant flavors and time-honored traditions. Doner kebab. The very name conjures images of bustling streets and the irresistible aroma of perfectly seasoned meat. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience, a cornerstone of Turkish cuisine that has captured hearts and palates worldwide. Picture layers of seasoned meat, carefully stacked, marinated to perfection and ready to transform into something truly extraordinary. Each layer contributes to the symphony of flavors that defines the doner experience. Perhaps succulent lamb, offering a rich and savory depth, or maybe tender beef, providing a robust and satisfying bite, or even juicy chicken, each offering a unique twist on this classic dish. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Watch as it slowly roasts on a vertical spit, a mesmerizing dance of heat and flavor meticulously carved into thin, juicy strips that practically melt in your mouth. The anticipation builds with every rotation. The aroma, oh the aroma. The sizzle, a symphony of sound that promises a culinary delight. The skill of the chef, a true artisan, transforming simple ingredients into a masterpiece. This is street food artistry at its finest, a testament to the passion and dedication of Turkish culinary traditions. Enjoy it nestled in fluffy pita bread, a warm and inviting embrace for the savory meat. Rolled snugly in a durum wrap, a portable feast perfect for on-the-go enjoyment, or experience it as Iskender kebab, bathed in rich tomato sauce and drizzled with hot, sizzling butter. Every single bite is a testament to the culinary craft of Turkey, a celebration of flavor and tradition. Doner isn't just food, it's a cultural phenomenon, it's a cultural icon, a symbol of Turkish hospitality and culinary excellence. It's the undisputed king of the streets, and for very good reason. A culinary experience that is accessible to everyone. Stunning in its simplicity, yet complex in its flavor, a true masterpiece. Time for dessert. Baklava. Dozens of paper-thin filo layers brushed with butter, filled with pistachios or walnuts, then baked to golden perfection. Hot from the oven, it's drenched in fragrant syrup, creating a perfect balance of crisp, nutty, and sweet. Each bite is rich, decadent, and utterly transporting. Baklava is more than dessert. It's edible history. A true treasure. Gorgeous. Next up, lahmacun, often called Turkish pizza, a name that hints at its deliciousness but doesn't quite capture its unique character. It's a staple, a street food favorite, and a testament to the simple brilliance of Turkish cuisine. But it's so much more. It's an experience, a culinary journey packed into a thin, crispy flatbread. Lahmacun represents the heart of Turkish flavors, a symphony of textures and tastes that dance on your palate. The foundation is a thin, crisp dough, stretched and rolled with incredible skill. It's almost paper-thin, providing the perfect base for the flavorful toppings to come. This delicate dough is what sets lahmacun apart, topped generously with a spiced mix of finely minced meat, a blend carefully crafted to deliver a savory punch. The meat is the star, seasoned to perfection. Then comes the freshness, diced tomatoes, vibrant peppers, and a medley of aromatic herbs. These ingredients bring a burst of freshness that cuts through the richness of the meat. Baked fast in a hot oven, often a traditional stone oven where the intense heat works its magic. The high temperature ensures a crispy base and perfectly cooked toppings. It comes out blistered and fragrant, the edges slightly charred, releasing an irresistible aroma that fills the air. The sight alone is enough to make your mouth water. Sprinkle generously with fresh parsley, adding a final touch of green and a hint of peppery flavor. Then, a crucial step, squeeze on fresh lemon juice. The acidity of the lemon brightens all the flavors, creating a perfect balance. Roll it up tightly, like a wrap, ready to be devoured. And eat it with your hands, embracing the authentic street food experience. Don't be afraid to get a little messy. It's light, surprisingly so, zesty from the lemon, and packed with flavor in every single bite. The combination of textures and tastes is simply divine. The perfect lunch, a quick and satisfying meal that will leave you wanting more. Simple in its ingredients, brilliant in its execution. Lahmacun is a testament to the power of simple, fresh ingredients, unmissable. If you have the chance to try lahmacun, don't hesitate. It's a true taste of Turkey that you won't soon forget. For breakfast, nothing beats menemen. Sauté onions and peppers, add ripe tomatoes, simmer, then crack in eggs. Some scramble, some leave the yolks whole. Either way, it's creamy, saucy, and full of fresh flavor. Scoop it up with crusty bread, no forks needed. Add chili flakes for a kick. It's rustic comfort in a pan, the ultimate start to your day. Beautiful. Now, manti. Tiny Turkish dumplings, each hand-folded with spiced meat. Making them is a family affair, a true labor of love. Boiled until tender, then topped with cool garlic yogurt sauce. Finish with a drizzle of hot butter infused with mint and red pepper. The result? Creamy, tangy, spicy, and deeply savory. Every bite is a celebration of tradition, an absolute masterpiece. Exquisite. Sometimes the simplest foods, crafted with time-honored techniques and readily available on street corners, become the most iconic symbols of a culture. They transcend mere sustenance, becoming emblems of national identity and shared experience. Like simit. This humble yet delicious bread ring is a staple, instantly recognizable and deeply loved throughout Turkey. A sesame-crusted bread ring generously coated with toasted seeds that add a nutty aroma and satisfying crunch to every bite. The sesame seeds aren't just a topping, they're an integral part of the simit experience. Crunchy outside, offering a delightful textural contrast that awakens the senses. The outer layer provides a satisfying resistance, giving way to the soft interior within. Soft inside, a pillowy haven that complements the crisp exterior. This perfect balance of textures is what makes simit so incredibly addictive, with a hint of sweetness from a molasses dip. This traditional step adds a subtle caramel-like flavor that enhances the overall taste profile, creating a unique and memorable culinary experience. Grab one fresh from a street cart, where vendors proudly display their golden wares often stacked high in tempting pyramids. The aroma alone is enough to draw you in. Pair it with Turkish tea, the quintessential accompaniment. The slightly bitter tea cuts through the richness of the simit, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. And you've got the perfect snack, a quick and satisfying bite that fuels your day and connects you to the heart of Turkish culture. Eat it plain, savoring the simple perfection of the bread, sesame, and molasses, or filled with cheese and tomatoes, transforming it into a more substantial and flavorful meal. The possibilities are endless. Simit is woven into daily Turkish life, a constant presence from bustling city streets to quiet neighborhood cafes. It's more than just food, it's a shared ritual. Humble, satisfying, a testament to the beauty of simple ingredients and time-honored traditions. Unforgettable. Once you've tasted authentic simit, you'll understand why it holds such a special place in the hearts of the Turkish people. The taste of the city, a culinary ambassador that embodies the spirit and flavor of Turkey. One more dessert, künefe. Shredded phyllo dough layered with stretchy unsalted cheese, cooked until golden and crispy. Drenched in hot syrup, it's sweet, gooey, and crunchy all at once. Cut in, and the cheese stretches. Pure satisfaction. Often topped with pistachios or clotted cream, warm, rich, and utterly unique. Künefe is a showstopper. Wow. There you have it, 7 unforgettable Turkish dishes. Don't just watch, go taste them. Visit Turkey or find a local spot and start your own adventure. Turkish food is meant to be shared, full of bold flavors and tradition. Let me know which dish you want to try most, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary journeys. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring.